When you decide to buy an electric bike, convenience matters. Nobody wants to waste hours visiting different stores, comparing limited options, and spending extra time just to find the right bike. With DYU's online shopping experience, you can explore different electric bike models from the comfort of your home. You can compare folding e-bikes, commuter e-bikes, and long-range models, check their features, and choose the bike that matches your daily needs. Whether you need a compact bike for easy storage, a comfortable bike for your daily commute, or a powerful model for longer rides, you can take your time and make the right decision. The online buying process is simple. You can select your preferred DYU model, check the latest information, place your order, and follow the delivery process without the stress of transporting a large bike from a store. Shopping online also gives you the advantage of viewing complete product details, specifications, and available options before making your purchase. A smart purchase starts with choosing the right bike for your lifestyle. DYU is a company that focuses on creating practical and innovative electric bikes for modern riders. I personally find DYU interesting because of its combination of design, convenience, and different options for different lifestyles. If you are looking for an electric bike to make your daily travel easier, save time, and enjoy a smarter way of transportation, DYU can be a brand worth exploring. Choosing an e-bike is a personal decision, so I recommend checking the available models and selecting the one that matches your lifestyle and riding needs. If you decide to explore DYU bikes through my link, it helps support my channel and allows me to continue creating more useful product reviews. DYU electric bikes are designed for modern lifestyles, whether you need an e-bike for daily commuting, city rides, fitness, or weekend adventures. Backhand index pointing right, check DYU's latest electric bike models, features, prices, and availability here. Your DYU affiliate link. Why consider an electric bike? White heavy checkmark, save time on daily short distance travel. White heavy checkmark, enjoy a more comfortable and enjoyable ride. White heavy checkmark, reduce dependence on fuel-powered transportation. White heavy checkmark, spend more time outdoors and enjoy fresh air. White heavy checkmark, a convenient option for modern urban lifestyles. An e-bike can be a great choice for adults who want an easier way to move around, stay active, and enjoy their daily journeys. DYU offers different models, including folding e-bikes, commuter e-bikes, and long-range options, so you can choose the one that fits your needs. Explore the available DYU models today and find the electric bike that matches your lifestyle. Disclosure: this video contains affiliate links.
Buying your next electric bike has never been easier. With DYU's online shopping experience, you can explore different electric bike models directly from your home. Simply visit the website, browse through available models, and discover the features that match your riding needs. Not every rider needs the same type of e-bike. Some people need a compact folding bike for apartment living, some need a commuter bike for daily work, and others want a long-range bike for adventure and longer rides. Online, you can take your time comparing different models, checking specifications, and choosing the right electric bike for your lifestyle. Once you find the perfect model, the ordering process is simple. Select your bike, add it to your cart, complete your purchase, and start your journey towards smarter transportation. You don't need to spend hours visiting multiple stores or waiting for assistance. Everything can be done conveniently online. One of the biggest benefits of online shopping is
convenience. Your electric bike can be shipped according to the company's delivery process, allowing you to receive your order without the hassle of transporting a large bike yourself. When your DYU electric bike arrives, you can begin your riding experience and enjoy a new way of traveling. From daily commuting to weekend adventures, an electric bike gives you more freedom, flexibility, and convenience. So if you are ready to upgrade your daily transportation, check the DYU link in the description and explore the available models today.